G'day YouTube, I'm back, and in this video I'm going to be sharpening my knife with my Hapstone R2 with upgraded vertical shaft. In my first video ever on YouTube, I unboxed the Hapstone R2 and just had a quick look at the build quality and the materials used and things like that. Yeah, in this video we're actually going to use the Hapstone, put it to the test, see how it sharpens the knife, and I've also got a couple other products, a couple other goodies. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see how they go and be able to share that with you guys. Okay, so the knife that we're going to be sharpening today, probably the most important part, is a Tops Dicer 3. That's it right there. Great knife, by the way. It's a S35 VN steel. Yeah, I love this knife. I use it in the kitchen all the time, and it comes with a nice Kydex sheath as well. Keeps it handy, just chuck it in the drawer. So we've got that. We'll be starting off with Hapstone Premium CBN stone set. So we'll be starting off with those, progressing through them, and they start at 80 and they work their way all the way to 5,000. So we'll get through that. And then to finish off, we'll be doing some stropping. This is one of the new products I mentioned earlier that we're going to be trying out. It's called Diamond Strop, and this is a polycrystalline suspension for knives. I haven't seen too much on this product yet. I think it's a new product to the market. Yeah, this is specifically developed for stropping knives, which is pretty cool. And yeah, it comes in a 30ml bottle, sort of pump bottle, so it's pretty easy to put on your strop. I don't really like the sprays. I've used the sprays before and I find that this stuff's really expensive. And I found the sprays kind of, when you're using a small strop like this, you know, you kind of waste a lot of it. So yeah, I prefer the pump bottle. Speaking of the strops, this is a kangaroo leather strop by a company called HopStrop. I like that name. Kangaroo hide on an aluminium blank, made to suit the Hapstone. Other guided knife sharpening systems that sort of use the 150mm by 25mm, or I think 6" by 1". We'll try that. Got a set of them. So we will be finishing the sharpening process with the Diamond Strop suspension using the HopStrops. And for those of you that are interested, the Diamond Strop comes in a 0.1 micron, 0.25 micron, 0.5 micron, a 1 micron, 3 micron, 6 micron, 9 micron, and a 15 micron. And I will leave a link in the description from the eBay store that I purchased the Diamond Strop and the HopStrops from. And if you guys are interested, you can go and check that out. Alright, let's get stuck in. Here's a quick look at the knife before sharpening and stropping. You can see a couple of scratches on the edge, but overall it's in pretty good condition. We should be able to get a nice mirror finish with that Diamond Strop. Let's see how it goes with the paper. I think we can do much better than that. Here it is all set up. We're going to set the angle, so we'll zero that off there. We'll put a stone in. I'm starting off with the 80. That's zeroed off. Chuck that on there like that. That's why I really like this new vertical shaft. It makes it really easy to adjust the angle. That looks pretty good there. Lovely. We'll just set our travel up as well. So I'll go on the low side, about there. Check on the high side. Yeah, that's why it's nice buying the extra stopper, so you don't overshoot it, and it just allows you to use the whole length of the stone as well, so you're not just grinding in the middle. Alright, like I said, I don't think this is going to need too much. Just a couple of passes, we'll run through all the stones, and then we'll see what kind of finish we get with just the stones before we strop. Alright, we'll flip it over. Same thing on this side. I'm not pushing down too heavy, just using the weight of the stone and rod assembly. And I'm just going in the same direction to try and really get a good finish. And notice that the stone's moving a little bit in the dovetails, so you can actually, there's a spring in here, so you can actually add a bit more tension just with that adjustment screw there. Alright, that's the 80 done. Now we're going to go to 150. I can already see the surface finish improving. Getting rid of the deeper scratches from the 80. Yeah, so far really impressed with these premium CBN stones from Hapstone. What are my thoughts on the sharpener itself? Yeah, it's great. Yeah, the rod's travelling really nice with that bearing design. Yeah, the clamps are working great. The knife isn't moving at all. And I have got it clamped right on the end here. And you can tighten up the rotating clamp as well. just to give it a bit more tension when you are sticking out so far on the end. Alright, 400 next. So this stone kit goes all the way up to 5,000. So it'll be interesting to see what finish we get with just the stones. Alright, let's flip it over. It's looking good. Alright, we've finished with the 400. Now we're moving on to the 800. Probably adjust that travel a little bit. Alright, that looks pretty good for the 800. Now we move on to the 2000. Should start to notice a bit of a difference in the finish now. Alright, that's the end of 2000. Now we go with the 5000. Alright, that's quite a few passes with the 5000. Yeah, it looks good. Still a few scratches. Not too bad. Alright, now we're going to try the strops. And we'll start off with the 15 micron. Get that there. Give it a bit of a shake. like that. Then we just got to wait for that to soak in. Might go ahead and prepare the other HopStrops. Yeah, these bottles work good. See, they're a lot better than the spray bottles. You can control the flow a lot better. You can see that starting to absorb a little bit. Takes a while to fully absorb. This one's still a little bit wet. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes and that diamond strop suspension has absorbed into the HopStrops, and we're going to start. Starting with the 15. Yeah, that looks alright. Okay. Okay, it's a 15 done. We're going to step down to the 9. Alright, finished with the 9, now we're moving on to the 6. Alright, done with the 6, now we're on to the 3. Okay, done with the 3, onto the 1. Okay, that's done with the 1. We're on to the 0.5. Alright, that's done with the 0.5. Now we go 0.25. And last but not least, 0.1. Alright, that's it guys. There it is. Diamond Strop, Polycrystalline suspension and HopStrops. Beautiful. Nice mirror finish. Let's do a quick paper test. Very sharp. Well, I'd say that's a success. That diamond strop and HopStrop, really good quality. There you have it, Hapstone R2 tried and tested, diamond strop, polycrystalline suspension, awesome stuff. I'm really happy with the result that this got. The HopStrops, great, worked perfectly. And the Hapstone premium CBN stone set, really good as well. Definitely worth the money. So yeah, all in all, really happy. I'll definitely be recommending all this gear. Alright guys, take care.